In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with HubSpot support in just 5 minutes. Whether you're dealing with a technical hiccup, need help navigating through the features, or have any queries related to your services, getting in touch with the support team can be crucial. So let's dive into the steps to connect with a HubSpot customer support specialist quickly and efficiently. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head to www.hubspot.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Simply click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard. This step is essential as only logged in users can access full support features. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your navigation bar. Here you'll see a handy help icon which looks like a question mark. Clicking on this icon will open up a variety of support options available directly from your dashboard. This feature is designed to provide you with immediate access to resources and support fashioned to resolve your needs as swiftly as possible. After clicking the question mark, you'll be prompted to enter your question into the Ask a Question field. Be as detailed and concise as you can. The more specific your question, the better the system can suggest helpful resources. Based on your query, HubSpot will present you with a list of suggested articles that might just have the answers you're seeking. These articles can be a quick and efficient way to troubleshoot or gather more information. If after exploring those suggested articles you find that your issue remains unresolved, don't worry. At the bottom of the help panel there's an option reading Contact Us. Give it a click. This will lead you to further support options, ensuring that you can communicate your concerns directly to the right people. Now you'll be looking for the Chat to the Team option. Opt for this choice to initiate a real-time conversation with a HubSpot customer support specialist. This chat service provides a more interactive approach to resolving issues, offering you the chance to describe your hurdles in detail and receive tailored assistance. A crucial thing to keep in mind is that access to live chat depends on your specific HubSpot subscription level. If you have a view-only seat, unfortunately you will not be eligible for email, chat, or phone support. So before reaching out, it might be beneficial to confirm your subscription particulars to understand the level of support that you're entitled to. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to connecting with HubSpot support effectively. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your HubSpot queries.